That's what bakers do with stale bread, and they charge you a lot for it, and you throw it away. Let's start by adding 2 old loaves of bread to the blender. Then we will add a box of 395 grams of condensed milk. Let's add 600 milliliters of milk. Also add 3 eggs. Now we are going to cover it and let it blend very well for approximately 5 minutes. Here it is perfect, booking. Then, in a mold we will add a cup of sugar. We will make the syrup. We are going to stir until all this sugar melts. The sugar has completely melted. Now let's pass the syrup everywhere like this. Then, in a pot that fits our pudding shape, we will add half a cup of water. Add the mold here. Then with the cold syrup we will add all the cream from the mixer. Now we are going to cover it and let it cook for 40 minutes. Our pudding is ready. Look how beautiful it turned out. Let's turn it over on a plate. We will cut a piece of this pudding. If you liked it and want to continue receiving more recipes like this, write to us in the comments below. I want it.